Hi, my name is Jay Madhav Menon, and on behalf of Sobha Limited, I welcome Zricks team to Sobha City Sales Gallery. Today, I am going to explain the project Sobha City and tell you about the two new towers that are getting launched here in the project. So, I'll take you first to our model of Sobha City. Sobha City is a flagship product by Sobha Limited. This is the third time we are doing this project in India. This is located in sector 108 Gurgaon on Upper Dwarka Expressway. This is the first residential sector and first residential plot when you're entering from Delhi into Gurgaon on the Upper Dwarka Expressway. So I'll just explain you the complete project here on the model. So currently we are standing over here. This is our sales gallery. You have just entered like this, and this complete plot that you see within the white boundary walls is the project Sobha City. This falls in sector 108 of Gurgaon. As I just mentioned, it is the first residential plot. Hence, the boundary wall that you see over here is the Delhi-Gurgaon border itself. We are right at the edge. Behind us, this area as well as this green area comes under the Delhi Reserved Green Area. So this by definition is privately owned agricultural land, comes under the Forest Department of Delhi. The land policy over here cannot be changed. It will always remain as agricultural land. No high-rise towers can come up in this area. So if you take up an apartment facing that side, so you will look up into 300 acres of open green space forever. Fortunately, the third side also is a green, earmarked as green in the master plan. It's a green park with a community center, and across that also we have agricultural land of sector 108. On the opposite side of this project, we have our own villa development in sector 109 by the name International City. And on this corner, Sobha will be developing a high-end retail and commercial mall. We are on the main road. The road in front of the project is 75 meter wide. With service road, this becomes 99 meter wide. This starts from Najafgarh Bijwasan Road and goes up to, parallelly to Dwarka Expressway, goes up to sector 88 Gurgaon. Sobha City is a flagship offering by Sobha. We only do this when we get very good land parcels. So as you just saw, this project is surrounded by green areas, and on the other side we have villas. We are on the main road with a huge front, almost half a kilometer, which will ensure once the complete project is done, it will become iconic and it will always be easy to access. Once you are inside the project, one of the best features of this land is that it is a contiguous piece of land. No sector road, no revenue rasta, no high tension wires, no underground piping, and no adjoining villages. So very, very clean. So what our master planners were able to do over here, that they had carved out a central green experience of 13.5 acres, and they have kept all towers on the periphery. In total in the project, we have 18 towers and 1500 apartments. Right now on the model, you can see 12 towers. This would be the 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th tower. Once completely delivered, there would be towers in this area as well. So this project is basically catering to Delhi and Gurgaon customers. In this project, we are offering 16 plus sports and lifestyle amenities. As soon as you reach the project, you enter into the project via a 32 meter wide grand plaza. As soon as you enter, the first thing that you would see is a cricket field 90 meter dia, 4 feet above the ground, with 2 professional pitches and 2 sit-out stands. The pitch can be covered at any given point of time, and other sports can also be played. We'll be tying up with academies to host events, but only for the residents. Just alongside the cricket field, there's another green canopy that's about an acre of land. It will be a party lawn area. It is dedicated to the residents. If they want to host any events under the sky, they can do in the given area. Just alongside that, there will be 10,000 square feet dedicated to small kids as a camping ground. In this, we will create a forest-like appearance with a lot of trees and a lot of trail, where the residents can give their kids an exposure to camping within the project. Then the second standout feature for this project is this resort-style lakelet, which is for the swimming purpose. The total length of the swimming pool is 110 meters. At one stretch, one can continuously swim for 60 meters. There are 2 kids pools on the side, a small island deck in between, and an amphitheater zone as well, with a cascading pool structure. This is followed by 3 floodlit tennis courts and a kilometer-long jogging, cycling and walking track completely away from any vehicular movement. So as soon as anybody enters the project, they immediately take a left-hand turn and go in front of the building. No vehicle is allowed in this given area. We also have a skating ring, full-size basketball court, volleyball court and outdoor gym and yoga area. All these facilities are designed according to international standard. By that we mean the dimension as well as the flooring match the international standards. There will also be dedicated children's kids play area, pet areas and dog parks. We also have two clubhouses, Club Oval 1 and Club Oval 2. Both are 20,000 square feet each. Club Oval 1 will be delivered first, most probably towards end of next year. In this, we have a temperature controlled pool, half Olympic size, 25 meter long, a multi-purpose hall, 5,000 square feet gymnasium, reading room, library, cafeteria, children's kids play room and audio visual room. All similar facilities has been provided in Club Oval 2 also, which will be coming up in phase 2, but there the temperature controlled pool has been replaced with a squash court and 2 indoor badminton courts. Also in this project, you will see the concept of podium greens, where we have elevated the surface, made it green so that people can walk, kids can play in this given area, and below that we have provided our residents with convenient stilt car parking. The podium concept is total of 5.5 acres. Some part will be delivered in phase 2 and some part is already being built in phase 1. Apart from this, in the project we have a service area. So in the service area, we have convenient shopping center, about 30-35 shop or for ground floor level, where we will have basic pharmacies, saloon, spa, bank and ATMs. There will be a primary school, 2 nursery schools. We will be handing over these schools to one of the best branded schools in the Delhi NCR. This service area will have a separate entry and separate exit, and it will be segregated from the main compound by a 10 feet hedge. Thus, there will not be any trespassing, and we will provide a boom barrier over here so that the residents can easily come into the service area. Coming on to the structures, we have 2 types of towers. We have standard towers as well as premium towers, and that is where I would like to highlight you the launch of our 2 new premium towers, which is over here. This will be C5 and C6. We are going to launch them in next month, and currently we are accepting expression of interest. Customers can come in, and if they like the apartment, they can block their preferred floors. They will be exactly like the towers that you see in front. It will be a stilt plus 24 structure with 4 units on one floor, 3 lifts, each unit being a corner. These towers are also called as premium towers because their placement on the master plan is very good. They get best of the views, and over here also you see the towers which will be coming up will have the view of the lakelet on the internal side, and towards the outside they will be looking into the villa community that we have already delivered in sector 109. Hence both sides they get a spectacular view. So over here in these towers we have 2 sizes, 2072 square feet, that is a 3-bedroom residence, 3-bedroom premium residence, and a 3-bedroom with home office concept being delivered. These towers will be delivered in a span of 4.5 to 5 years from now. So I'll quickly tell you about our towers over here. So in Sobha city we have already successfully launched 10 towers. Tower number C1, C2, A1, A2, B1, B2, B3 and B4, as well as C3 and C4. We have successfully sold to 571 families and around 11 lakh square feet already in Sobha city. So out of these towers, the ones that you see over here are our standard towers. These are stilt plus 18 floors high, with 4 units on one floor and sizes from 2-bedroom, initial sizes from 2 bedrooms, which is 1381 square feet, to our 3 bedrooms with family lounge and 3 bedrooms standard size, which is 1711 square feet and 2003 square feet. Over here, these towers, tower number C1, C2, C3 and C4 are our premium towers, which are stilt plus 24 structure with 4 units on each floor. Another reason why you must come and buy an Sobha apartment is because of the quality that we tend to deliver. We tend to deliver very high quality standards, and to deliver those high quality standards we have basically done 2 things. The first one is that the complete construction is done in-house by our own workforce. We recruit them from grassroots level, train them and place them at the site, and they are trained in German way of doing construction. The second reason that we are able to deliver high quality is because of our backward integration model, where instead of buying into a lot lot of lands. We have invested into our own factories where we have put up a concrete plant division, a woodwork division, glass and metal division and an interiors division. All these divisions combined supply material to us which are according to our set standards, and all these, since the workforce and the material are totally in our control, so we tend to deliver high quality in a given timeline that we have already committed to the customer. Another reason that you must go with Sobha is the reputation of the developer. Sobha is a 25-year-old company in India, overall a 45-year-old firm. We are a Bangalore-based firm. It's a public company. Until now in India, we have delivered close to about 490 projects. We are spread across 26 cities and 13 states in India and 6 countries worldwide. We have a workforce of close to around 35,000 people. Most of the work that we have done in India are divided into 2 parts. 50% of it is a contractual work where we have delivered buildings for big IT giants like Infosys, hotels like Taj, companies like Biocon, and the other 50% comes from our own residential development, which is spread across mostly in South. In Bangalore, we have close to about 70 delivered projects, 30 under construction. We are there in Thrissur, we are there in Cochin, we are there in Chennai. We are also now coming up in Gift City, Ahmedabad. We have launched projects in Pune, and in 2011 we ventured into Delhi NCR with the project International City, and this project Sobha City was launched in 2016. Now I am going to take you into our tower number C1, which is a premium tower, and show you our 3-bedroom premium size, which is 2072 square feet, which is going to get launched in tower number C5 and C6. So we are on the 3rd floor of our tower number 1, which is tower C1. It is a premium tower that we are again going to launch in this project. So this is a still plus 24 structure. This tower is right now under construction, so please excuse the noise that comes from the background. But for our customers, we have completed one of the floors and we are going to show you our actual finished apartments over here. But just before that, I want to tell you about the lift lobby area. So this is the lift lobby of a premium tower. As you see, we have very wide staircases, almost 5 feet wide. And we also have another staircase that is the fire exit. In the lobby area, we have a granite finish. On this floor, we have 4 apartments. But what you must know about Sobha Homes, that we make very private apartments. So though we have 4 units on one floor, but there are no common walls between any 2 apartments. Also, no 2 main doors of any apartment will face each other, so there is absolute privacy. We will have 3 lifts on this floor, an 8-passenger lift, 15-passenger lift and a 20-passenger service lift. So now I'll take you into our configuration, which is a 3-bedroom premium apartment, 2072 square feet. Please follow me. So I'm going to show you a 3-bedroom premium apartment in our upcoming premium towers C5 and C6. The square feet of this apartment is 2072 square feet. At the main door, we will have a 8 feet high, 3 feet wide Sobha beechwood doors with strong architraves, and ironmongeries will also be of international standards. The area over here, shown you over here, will be part of your apartment. It's a foyer area as well. So as soon as you enter, we have a foyer area which is 6 feet long, about 4 feet 7 inches wide. This welcomes you into a living and dining space, voluminous room of 22.5 feet long, 16.5 feet wide. Over here we are using Delacato grey Omani marble as a flooring in the living, dining and the corridor area. This area is segregated from the main balcony, which is 22.5 feet long and 11.5 feet wide, with a Sobha double glazed glass doors. This comes from our glass and metal division. These are double glass doors to ensure that there is low heat inside the house, as well as there is minimum noise getting inside. Again, this is not UPVC, this is done on aluminium structure, so it is difficult to fabricate but has a very long and sturdy life. The balcony is 22.5 feet long, 4 feet 7 inches wide. We are providing MS steel railings, which is chest height, all laser welded and powder coated, again coming from Sobha's glass and metal division. On the lower side, what you see is a granite coping to ensure that there are no thermal cracks, and always it is easy to clean. The outer facade of this house will be completed with a wooden finish tile, and even we are providing electrical points outside, and they will also be protected from the rainwater. We will provide privacy grill between two apartments on every alternate apartments to ensure that there is privacy even in the balcony spaces. So since we are in the balcony of our premium apartment 3-bedroom residence in tower number C1, you see over here the project Sobha City in its complete form. You can see the upcoming cricket field in our project. So now I'll take you again back into the living space. So over here again in this room you can have a 7-seater sitting over here with a clean wall in front for your entertainment unit. You can have a 8-seater dining over here with a low rise crockery unit, and then this area is directly opens up into the kitchen area of the apartment, which is again about 11 feet long and 8.5 feet wide with a utility balcony attached. So in all Sobha homes, we don't do the kitchens. We keep this part to the customer's liberty with a utility balcony. So we have a concept of a dry kitchen and a wet kitchen concept. Over here, this part is the dry kitchen, and the utility balcony is the wet area over here. We have a slab and sink with faucets attached, and we have a provision for installing your washing machines and dryer over here. So the complete cleaning happens outside the kitchen, providing more space to do work inside the kitchen. Now I'll take you to the bedrooms of the apartment. In this size, we have 3 bedrooms all having attached washroom. So once the dinner is over, the guest can use the powder room, which basically makes sure that they don't enter your rooms to use the washrooms. Then we have this corridor which separates all the 3 rooms from the common area, hence making the apartment very private. So I'll take you first into our master bedroom. So the master bedroom is 16.5 feet long, 11.5 feet wide, with a 10 feet long, 6 feet wide, and comes with an attached washroom which is again 10 feet long, 6 feet wide. This master bedroom also comes with a balcony which overlooks the spectacular views of Sobha City. This is a 9 feet long balcony with 4 feet 7 inches wide. In the master bedroom and in the dresser area, we are providing with timber laminated wooden flooring to give a very aesthetic feel. And in the washrooms, we are going to provide with premium sanitary ware fittings from Duravit, and we are also going to provide shower partitions in the washroom. Now I'll take you to the other 2 bedrooms. So bedroom number 2 is just near the master bedroom. It's a 10.5 by 12.5 room, comes with a French window. The flooring of this room, we are providing chestnut finish tile flooring from a brand called Rack Ceramics. This room also comes with attached washroom, which is a decent size of 8 feet 8 inches long, 5 feet wide, again with premium fittings from Duravit. Now I'll take you into the 3rd room of this apartment, which is a 10.5 by 12.5 room. Over here we are providing anti-skid imported tile from a brand called Rack Ceramics. This room comes with an attached washroom with premium fittings again from Duravit. And over here, in order to have an unhindered view of the common amenities and the green areas of the project, we are providing a floor to ceiling glass window with 3 fixed panels and a slide up door for ventilation. Having a lower panel fixed ensures that there is enough safety inside your house in case there are small pets and kids. So this was a size 3-bedroom premium available in our upcoming towers C5 and C6. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our 3-bedroom premium apartment, 2072 square feet. I hope to see you soon, and in case of any queries, you can reach out to the numbers mentioned below. Thank you.